What's up, y'all? It's Jimmy coming to you guys with another video. Before we get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And when you guys hit subscribe, please make sure you guys are hitting that notification button. Getting right into the video, this is the week of February 14th. I'm giving you guys a heads up that this week is only going to have one upload, and the video isn't going to be anything too crazy, like nothing too interesting, but I did want to do a little discussion video for you guys. And the reason for the one upload is honestly, I just didn't really prioritize my time properly into thinking of just new videos I could make for y'all. Like, I would typically just do like a review or something like that, but I haven't picked up anything these past like 2 weeks, week and a half or so. I don't know, sneakers and everything have been a little bit dry, so haven't had too much sneakers to put out content for y'all. But I figured one upload was better than nothing, and I'm trying to stay consistent this year, so I figure I get myself to make this video. And also the reason being making this video now and kind of planning out for the whole week is because I have to travel for work. So there are a couple sneakers that have surfaced that I did want to talk about with you guys. So the first shoe that I want to talk to you guys about is the Air Jordan 1 Denim. These surfaced, I think, sometime this past week. This post is only a day old from Sneaker News, but these are actually pretty fire. So the last time I think Jordan Brand did like a denim Air Jordan 1, if I'm not mistaken, was like the Levi mids that they did, I want to say almost like 10 years ago. So it's been quite some time. And even then, those weren't really like a proper denim. They were a Levi's collab, and there was like, I think, red leather on them, if I'm not mistaken. But these right here are definitely a proper denim sneaker. I kind of see the whole vibe Jordan Brand is going for, kind of like in the summertime. You're typically pairing your blue denim jeans with a white t-shirt, and then they have like gold accents on the shoe, which I'm guessing, so I don't know if this is like a woman's sneaker, like a woman's Air Jordan 1, because I could imagine, right, like a female wearing like white t-shirt, blue jeans, gold hoop earrings. I'm pretty sure that's what Jordan Brand is going for. But nonetheless, I think guys could definitely rock this shoe too. I think this is a good shoe that is honestly perfect for the summertime, like just like the whole tones, the colors of the shoe. I honestly wouldn't wear the shoe with more denim. I think this is more so a shoe you wear with like either shorts, if you can pull off high top and shorts, or maybe some like, I don't know, like just some pants, right? Like nothing tech fleece or nothing like that, just because then it looks a little bit too athletic, and I feel like this shoe right here does not look athletic whatsoever. Just from the pictures, I'll say quality on these doesn't look too crazy. I'm not too sure, right? Like, I haven't owned a pair of denim Air Jordan 1s, or honestly even a pair of any denim sneakers, so I can't really say how the quality is going to be. But it would be dope if they use like proper denim fabric. I mean, if these are being mass produced, that's probably not going to be the case, but these don't look too bad right here. I do like the shade of blue that they used on the outsole and then on the Nike Air tag that you can barely see in this picture. But will be interesting to see if this is like the actual shoe that drops, or if this is just like a one-of-one mock-up. And these don't have a release date yet set for them, but I'm gonna expect that these are gonna probably drop in like April or May, just in time for the summer. And the next shoe I want to talk to you guys about is a shoe that I didn't cover in my upcoming February releases, and this is a pair of Nike Dunk High Light Chocolates. So these are actually pretty fire. I want to say one of the best colorways that Nike has pumped out for the Dunks in quite some time. I'm not going to say this is the absolute best, but just the overall tones, just the whole vibe of the shoe, I think is very appealing. It's something different from like the very classic color blocking that they've been doing. So this right here is definitely a good look for the Dunks. And I will say it does low-key kind of seem like Nike is slowing down the Nike Dunk drops. Like, yeah, sure, they have been dropping a lot this year, and if you watch my February release video, they're pumping them out regardless, right? Like, that is the in shoe right now. But it definitely seems like you're taking a step back and adding a little bit more of a twist to them, which is good because I feel like sneakers are getting a little bit saturated right now. So it's cool to see these like different color blocking, different materials. Like this right here has like a smooth grain leather, a tumbled leather, some suede. Like, this is something that you don't really see often on Nike Dunks. And I don't know if I mentioned this already, but these are dropping on February 23rd for $125, which isn't too bad. I'll definitely be trying the cop. With my luck on sneakers, I haven't really been too lucky, at least in like January and parts of February, but I'm definitely gonna try to go for these. And then another shoe coming out on February 24th is the Air Jordan 1 Mid Flax. So if you don't own a pair of Tims or you want a pair of Tims, this is probably the perfect shoe. Or I guess if you want that Tim look but you don't want that Tim boot feel, this is probably the perfect shoe. Let me know what you guys think. Are the Air Force 1 mids okay, right? Because everyone clowns on the Air Jordan 1 mids, but I will say mid Air Force 1s aren't too bad. They definitely have been around for a lot longer than the Air Jordan 1 mids, and I feel like this is actually kind of a classic shoe. Like I remember seeing this shoe when I was in like elementary and middle school, so it's definitely been around for a while. And I will say my favorite thing about the Air Jordan 1 mids is the strap. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I don't know if you guys are familiar with Nike Dunk SB line at all, but the mids that they used to pump out a lot back in the day had the strap and the SB at the very end, which I absolutely loved. But yeah, nothing too crazy about these. Nike always kind of does like this Tim wheat colorway for their Air Forces, so not too surprised that they're dropping this. I am a little surprised that Nike is dropping this shoe in February, just because I feel like this is a shoe that is more slated for like September, October, you know, just in time for that fall winter season. And the last sneaker that I want to talk to you guys about is an unreleased shoe, a shoe that is probably never ever going to come out. But like I said, this is the week of February 14th. So today on February 13th was the Super Bowl in LA. So at the halftime, they had a whole bunch of artists perform: Snoop Dogg, Dr. Dre, 50 Cent, Eminem, and Mary J. Blige, I believe. I don't know who else. I think that was everyone. But when Eminem performed, he pulled out his fire red Eminem 3s. I always butcher his name, but let me know what you guys think about this shoe. It's nothing too crazy, right? It's basically a fire red 3 with an icy sole and then a custom backing with the E on the tongue. Even though I'm not the biggest fan of Eminem, I think it's pretty dope that he does have like these different sneakers with Jordan Brand. I'll say even though his shoes weren't like mass produced for everyone to buy, he was really kind of one of the first pioneers in teaming up with these like different, or not different, but with Jordan Brand to come up with his own sneaker, you know, and like have his own basically PE edition shoe. Nothing too crazy, but then it's pretty cool how on the back it says, "Hi, my name is Slim Shady." You know, it's very iconic from his songs and stuff like that. But overall, unreleased shoe that we'll probably never own. Like there's probably maybe 3 pairs of these in the world, I would be guessing. But pretty cool to see these. Like I'm pretty sure Jordan Brand has like a vault or like a whole catalog of like super limited shoes. Not even limited because they don't even come out, but shoes that people will never ever get to see. So super dope that we got to see this shoe at the Super Bowl halftime show. So I hope you guys enjoyed the discussion video. Like I said, very simple content for this week. I will only be posting one video, but I do post on my visuals page, so if you guys do want more content from me, make sure you guys go follow my visual page. It's gonna wrap up the video. Until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.